Hello, I'm going to show you around my uh, course module, designing a collection. My overall goal is demonstrate textiles, fashion, and apparel design skills. Because that is such a broad goal, I've broken it down into two goals. First, I'll be evaluating the impact of different factors on fashion, and then I'll also be allowing them to generate designs that consider those factors in the second unit. For my course, I have separated it into three modules. The first one will align straight with that first objective, evaluate the impact of historical designs and designers' arts and cultural trends and global influences on current fashions. Then the second one will be to generate the designs that consider a variety of factors that they just researched in the first module. And then lastly, I created a module 3 for the final collection, just to kind of gather everything that they learned from the first two and put it all together into the third. I've included a section for readings. This shows articles that if you click on them, it'll link out to help them understand what trend forecasting is, understanding their customer, and also what mood boards are and the importance of them. And then I have 3 activities that kind of go along with that. They'll do a trend forecasting scavenger hunt where they'll have to research some different trend forecasting sites to gather information for their collections, as well as create a market survey that's going to help them design. Once they have those first 2 done, they're going to actually create a mood board that's going to kind of be the guideline and the map for designing their collection. And then, as I mentioned before, the Module 1 quiz is going to cover all the information from the Module 1 readings. Module 2, set up exactly the same way. I have my readings and extra resources. I've included how they should cost their garments or how to go about that, how to draw technical sketches, as well as just fashion sketching in general. And then once again, I have a quiz down here to show that. I've included an assignment for them to upload their first 25 rough sketches. These don't have to be colored, but this is going to help them just get on the right track. I've also included an assignment where they will collaborate using a Padlet gallery, and if you look right here, the Padlet gallery will look something like this, and then students can comment over here what they like and what they don't like, and it will be a visual gallery for them to see all the designs. And then lastly, I'm giving them a feedback gallery as an assignment, and within this assignment they will be uploading their mood board, their costing, and their final collection into a gallery platform for people to see, and then they can also include an introduction on their collection, explain their design choices based on their customers' wants and needs, and then the people viewing it will use the survey to summarize the information, and then it will help with the final piece. So the final piece here is the final reflection. I would like for them to write a reflection paper using the following questions to guide you. They'll describe their market and their needs and basically explain how they got to where they were and would they change anything based on their customers' feedback. And then to cover everything up and wrap it all up, I have included a final exam. One other thing I also included that doesn't show up here is a pre and a post test. So these tests will help the student to see what they know and what they've learned, as well as me, the instructor. So that is all.